Kindly subscribe this channel for more educational content.
About the playwright, Mahesh Dattani, born on August 7, 1958, in Bangalore, now Bengaluru, Karnataka, is a distinguished Indian playwright, director, actor, and filmmaker. He holds the distinction of being the first English-language playwright to receive the Sahitya Akademi Award, India's premier literary honor, in 1998 for his collection Final Solutions and Other Plays. Notable works: Dance Like a Man, 1989, examines gender roles within the realm of classical dance. Tara, 1990, explores gender bias through the story of conjoined twins. Bravely Fought the Queen, 1991, unveils the complexities of a dysfunctional family. Final Solutions, 1993, addresses communal tensions in India. On a Muggy Night in Mumbai, 1998, one of the first Indian plays to openly discuss homosexuality, 30 Days in September, 2001, sheds light on the issue of child sexual abuse. Awards and recognition: Sahitya Akademi Award, 1998, for Final Solutions and Other Plays. His film Dance Like a Man won the Best Picture in English at the National Panorama in 1998. About the play, Dance Like a Man, is a play written by Mahesh Dattani, one of India's most prominent contemporary playwrights. This play, a part of his acclaimed body of work, explores themes like gender roles, tradition versus modernity, family conflict, and personal ambition, all within the context of Indian classical dance. Summary of Dance Like a Man. Setting and structure: the play is set in an old house in Bangalore. It unfolds through the interactions of three generations of a family and uses flashbacks extensively to reveal the past. The characters move between the present and the past, showing how earlier decisions affect their lives now. Main characters: Jayraj Parekh, a retired Bharatnatyam dancer who once rebelled against societal norms to pursue dance. Ratan Parekh, his wife, also a Bharatnatyam dancer, more ambitious and pragmatic than Jayraj. Amritlal Parekh, Jayraja's father, a strict patriarch who disapproves of dance as a male profession. Lata, Jayraj and Ratna's daughter, an aspiring dancer. Vishwas, Lata's fiancé, a somewhat neutral character and a device for exposition. Plot summary: the play opens with Lata rehearsing a dance for an upcoming performance while Vishwas watches. This casual moment segues into deeper conversations revealing the tension between generations and ambitions. Jayraj and Ratna, once celebrated dancers, are now older and overshadowed by their daughter's rising career. Their interactions are laced with sarcasm, regret, and unspoken pain. Through a series of flashbacks, we see Jayraj as a young man passionate about Bharatnatyam, struggling under his father's disapproval. Amritlal considers dance inappropriate and effeminate for men. Ratan, though supportive on the surface, manipulates Jayraj and uses his rebellion to advance her own career. The tragic story of Shankar, Jayraj and Ratna's young son, who dies in mysterious circumstances, a lingering source of guilt and blame. The emotional climax reveals that Jayraj never fully realized his potential due to both societal pressure and being manipulated by Ratna. Ratna sacrificed personal integrity to succeed in a conservative society, possibly neglecting her child in the process. Amritlal represents the oppressive social values that crush individual freedom and self-expression. In the present, Lata's career seems promising, and unlike Jayraj, she receives encouragement. The play ends on an ambiguous note, showing the cyclical nature of ambition, art, and familial expectation. Themes: 1. Gender roles and patriarchy. Central to the play is the question, can a man dance like a man? Bharatnatyam, traditionally dominated by women, is seen as inappropriate for men, reflecting deep-rooted gender biases. Amritlal enforces traditional masculinity, equating dance with femininity and weakness. 2. Tradition vs modernity. Jayraja's artistic aspirations clash with his father's conservative beliefs. The play shows the tension between adhering to societal norms and pursuing individual passion. 3. Art and ambition. Dance, though a shared passion, becomes a source of rivalry and manipulation between Jayraj and Ratna. Ratna's ambition blinds her to personal responsibilities, while Jayraja's passive nature leads to missed opportunities. 4. Parent-child conflict. The generational divide plays out not only between Jayraj and Amritlal, but also in Jayraja's own parenting. The death of Shankar is symbolic of the failure of one generation to protect the next. 5. Marriage and power dynamics. The marriage between Jayraj and Ratna is deeply dysfunctional. Ratna subtly dominates Jayraj, using emotional and professional leverage. 6. Memory and regret flashbacks serve to illustrate how the characters are haunted by their choices. The past intrudes on the present, preventing healing and resolution. Dramatic techniques, nonlinear narrative, the play moves back and forth in time, revealing key events gradually. Minimalist staging, the confined setting of a living room enhances the emotional claustrophobia. Dialogues rich in subtext, much of the play's meaning lies in what remains unsaid or implied. Symbolism, dance is both literal and metaphorical, a symbol of identity, rebellion, love, and loss. Conclusion, Dance Like a Man is a powerful psychological drama that weaves together personal ambition, cultural identity, and familial relationships. Dattani uses dance not just as an art form, but as a lens through which to examine societal expectations and personal failure. The play remains relevant for its insight into gender politics, generational conflict, and the cost of dreams in a world bound by tradition.